each other hardship. Me and my feline friend in this journey that will never end. From loneliness we made amends to get back together. Lonely nights got me feeling all. Set out board open a tabby cat. The world is crazy man. Forbid one the thing you been worth much smarter. Can't chill and more than me out the flying well. Come cautious, but quiet, not certain sublime. Like Sister Ron, chop books out of line. Said when the bond stronger than diamond beyond. Not the lonely the storm. It's adds up our very end. Around the house, new adventures we explore. Force tapping on the floor, opening a new door. Companionship pure and true. Each day something new. The words needed, y'all feeling the vibe, that's a cue. Loneliness once a shadow that loomed. Not God's to consume. Now world colored in cubes. My new best friend made life bloom. We saved each other hardship. Me and my feline friend in this journey that will never end. From loneliness we made amends. So together, and this ship of void is restored. But once restored, like just like a boy, walk we can't avoid. Friendship beyond what's corny. In peace we're joined. The bonders never belong. And you the baby, we save each other. Me and my feline friend in this journey that will never end. From loneliness we made amends. Together until the very end.